To log in to your Oxford Extend account, go to www.oxfordextend.com.pk. Enter the login credentials provided to you by the school. This is the main page. You will see the navigation bar on the left. Click on Classes to see your enrolled classes. In the class view, you will see lessons, assignments, and discussion. Click on Lessons to open the interactive book. You will see the list of chapters along with different content. Click on a topic to view. Each topic can have one or more kind of interactive elements attached to it. eBook will open the e-version of your Oxford book. You can zoom in, zoom out, and browse the book by clicking on Next or Previous arrows. The other kind of content we have are the videos. Select a video to play. Once the video is loaded, you can view it full screen as well. Click on Back to Lessons to go back to the main page.
Is it having people to have fun with?
There are audio elements as well. They work just like the video. We have interactive games like Quiz Whiz. Click on it to launch the game and play it. You can click on Check to review your answers. Click on Retry to try again. There are MCQs as well. There will be a list of questions with different choices. Select the correct answer and click on Next to go to the next question. Click on Submit Answer to complete the assessment and see your result. To review your answers, select the question you want to review. There are other types of homework and assignments as well, like fill in the blank, choosing the correct answer from a drop-down box, and different kinds of fun games. The navigation bar is always on your left. Dashboard gives you an overview of your progress. Assignments takes you to your list of assignments given to you by your teacher. Performance takes you to your performance report generated by the system. You can always check the FAQ page for help from the link on the screen.